I made one more stop because trains, but it's not open till May. And so I have to wait another month. But I will come and we will visit. There's a big truck going by. Well, we're going to start with the Frederick Area Historical Society. Interesting. Yeah, it's probably too windy out here now. But I was going to make one more stop, but it's not open. But we were going to come visit the caboose and the old depot, but it's not open for another month. So we'll wait. But yeah, I'm a fan of this kind of stuff. And once again, the solitude of the location works for me. Now, the front loader tearing up the street, not so much. But yeah, now it's time to go home and get back to work. And it was a nice little morning of chores and a couple visits. Now both of these stops were literally on my way home. So I didn't go out of my way, I just pulled over. But I gotta believe, maybe this is crazy, but isn't this literally take time and smell the roses? I mean, isn't life short enough that I should get the best out of it? Oh, that's my goal. I am a creature of habit. So, another train. We're gonna listen to some John Farnham and talk about it for a minute. So I just thought, where am I gonna do that? Right by the train, because that's what I do. I like trains. All right, this is really not a very long clip. It's only 22 seconds, honey. It's really short.
Maybe get closer.
Well, yeah, I was gonna park right.
Line. Welcome to the Sunday.
I was gonna go right here. Oh yeah.
U.S. Mail Railway Post Office.
Yeah, this is a post office train. But yeah, that's where we're ended up. That's cool. I gotta go a little longer. I don't want it to be a short. I hate the shorts. But I'm not getting out, so I just thought, hey, creature of habit.